Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to add YouTube chat overlay onto your OBS Studio. So the first thing that you need to actually do is to open your browser with your YouTube as see from here. After you open YouTube, you need to click on create on the top right. After that, click on go live. And from here you can see your YouTube chat as see from here. You can just click on the three dots on the top right and then you need to click on pop out chat. So after that, all you need to do now is to just copy this link. After that, close the screen and now go back to your OBS Studio, hit on the plus button and you can choose browser from here. Click on OK. And all you need to do is to just paste the URL from here and hit on OK. So now you can see your chat overlay from here. So now you can just add it anywhere you want and you can start your stream while your chat is on your stream. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.